Show me what it do. Then I spray something for you. My girl, my girl, my girl. Okay, y'all. So welcome to, I gotta sneeze. Another video. So today I am glad to do my first collab with Just Alicia. Her YouTube will be up above, and then I'll also put her link in the description to her actual video that we're doing a collab on today. So today we're doing a wash and go, and we're using the red hair paint, or I think she's using, is she using red too? Well, y'all know I have purple and I have red, and I kind of used purple the first time, so I'm using red this time. So yeah, so we're gonna show our ways of how we do our wash and goes, and basically just our natural style. So let's get right into the video. Products used in this tutorial is the Main Choice Crystal Orchid, biotin infused styling gel, my wild growth oil, which you know has wild growth oil, and some other types of oils that I have in there. The Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Spray. The Miss Jessie, Coily Custard. The EBIN 24-Hour Edge Tamer. Gotta catch them edges, honey. The Soft Tea Indian Hemp Grease. And lastly, the hair paint wax in the color red. I also might use the not might, because I already know what I did. Going to use the Eco Styler olive oil because that was my first time using those products, so I didn't really know how they were going to work on my hair. I've heard good stuff about them, but I didn't really know. And so yeah, so I had my handy dandy Eco Styler ready to go ahead and get whipped out. So first I went ahead and I sprayed my hair and my scalp with the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner. Then I took my oil and I went in and I went all over my scalp. Made sure all my scalp was covered, and I went ahead and gave myself a nice scalp massage. All right, now we're gonna get into this parting. You know how well, if you're a regular hair, if you're not a regular, I go ahead and every time I do my hair, I always part my hair into fours. A lot of people do this when they do their hair. It's easier when styling your hair. I was yawning, y'all, sorry. So it's easier to just separate your hair in sections of 4, and then you can break it down from there if you need to. As you'll see in the video, I will section my hair into 4s, and then I will section the 4th of hair into half and work with it like that. But it makes it a whole lot easier. Y'all, excuse me. Y'all see my lock? Honey, she out here getting some length on her. Go ahead, baby girl. Out here in the streets, honey. All right, so now this is the side that I'm going to work with. And as you see, like I just said, I go ahead and split that bad boy into half. And let's get it cracking. Crack-a-lacking. So I'm going to go ahead and take my wide tooth detangling comb and go ahead and go through my section of hair. Then I'm going to go in with the Miss Jessie's Coiling Custard. I got a little excited. I was like, ooh, okay, honey. Gave me a little curl, little curl popping. I see you. See, I'm going to take this and I'm going to work it over my hair. Then I'm going to take my dimming brush and make sure it's working all of that product through my hair. And then I took the, what's it called? The other stuff, y'all. The Main Choice gel, just to see what it was working with. And I was trying to work it in. I don't know, maybe it's my texture. I'm not sure, because I have different textures around my scalp. Around my head. Some areas are 3B, some areas are 3C, some not 3B, some areas are 3C, and some areas are 4A. So it kind of varies when I put product on my hair. Sometimes some areas of my hair will take better than others. So it's just kind of like a process now, and I kind of know which areas work with what product, or what areas curl up better than other areas. So as you can see, my hair is red. I went ahead and added in the hair paint wax. This by itself, I don't know, it didn't take like the purple took, which was weird. It's like the purple was more pigmented on my hair when I put it on. But this did end up taking very well, as you will see in the end. So I took the dimming brush and just worked the paint through to better take on my hair. And as you see, I just showed you my handy dandy olive oil eco styler. It never lets me down. That quickly got my life together and got my curls popping. I will give it to that Miss Jessie's Coily Custard. That did I liked how that was on my hair with the product. Even by itself, it was very well. So I'm going to go ahead and work that through. Make sure the section is popping before I go ahead and take down the other half of that fourth of a section. And repeat the same process. You guys know how that go. Go ahead and woo child. I don't know why I didn't take my the brush, the comb. And there you go. There you go, Eb. Get your life together, baby girl. Got that comb in there. Let's go ahead and get my life. Added the Coily Custard. And then I added some Eco Styler gel. And yeah, then went ahead and worked that through. And I was wetting my hair as I was going. When you see me take that plastic bag off my head, I was doing that to hold in some of the water after I washed out the deep conditioner, just so my hair would still be wet, so I wouldn't have to like completely drench it and soak it, re-wet it again. So yeah, that is all that I did. I repeated this whole process over my entire head until my hair was done. And that's it. So y'all, this is the final results. I feel like I'm probably going to twist the front because I don't want to have my hair in my face. I really don't like my hair being in my face like that. So yeah, that's it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications down at the bottom. Make sure you go check out Just Alicia. Remember, her link will be down in the description box. Again, me and her did a collab on our wash and go routine. So yes, tell us how you like it in the comments. If you go visit her page, make sure you comment down below that you came from Eb. Say Eb sent me. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I'm prolific, so gifted. I'm the type that's gon' go get